Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get an ad creation access from any brand on Instagram. So first of all, go to your settings, then go to business, then go to branded content, and here down on the bottom of the list you will see request ad creation access. So you can request an access to create ads for different brands. So for example, if I search for any brand, I can go and request them to create an brand creation access. You can type in any brands that are on Instagram and send them a request. And if they accept it, then you can start working together as brand ambassadors and earn money from your Instagram profile. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one.